camera photography.
What's going on, guys? It's Caleb here. And a new day means new things.
We're gonna become YouTubers and a photography group.
Photographers. Wait, no, that's literally just YouTubers and photography is just
Basically
photographers.
Yeah.
Utography. Utography. That's what we're doing out here. We're gonna be going down to the lake.
I feel like me and you could actually become YouTubers, like together.
We're going down to the lake, probably. I mean, I'm kind of doing it by myself right now.
Yeah, so am I.
Are you?
Well,
have you been
I
uploading?
haven't started yet. I mean, I've kind of stopped off, but I have 70 subscribers. That's where I stopped at.
I have like 27.
But
It sucks to go down too, because it's like awkward to walk.
it hurts your legs.
Yeah.
You gotta hold your.
Because you have to like not try and go fast.
I mean, it's worth it though, but
And
if
kind
you
of.
don't stay down there for like 2 seconds or whatever.
Now that I have the. You just completely ruined my shot by getting into it, thanks. I'm gonna put my camera here. Excuse me. I'm gonna act like I didn't just walk through a really big spider web. Yo, this is like Bug Nation over here. Whoa. What? Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. But you can almost get your car soon.
Yeah, I don't know how much it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be like $50 though.
The camera?
The microphone.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Because you don't want a shitty one.
Shit.
And it won't even matter.
Yeah, that's true.
You might as well just not even bother it, so.
Huh?
I'll probably be spending about $50 on it.
Probably.
First I have to pay back Michael Lee for the trip. Basically new. Haven't been there very long.
So, you know, I was trying to record a nice cinematic of me and Scott walking away, and I just inhale a fucking bug. That was terrible. Look at this shit. The camera actually picks the bugs up.
I know it does.
Which is surprising. What?
That side or this side?
This side. So many fucking bugs, dude. I can still feel it in my throat. It's upside down again.
What the fuck? Why? It's annoying.
Oh my god.
I don't know why it's doing that.
You know, just a nice little nature vlog. We're out here in the nature. The natures. It's weird because I always vlog like right before I have to go to work. Yeah, I don't know why.
Do your job before your job, you know? I guess. Picture it that way. This is a nice photography spot right here.
You want to take some pictures?
Sure. Nice tree, too. It's an interesting looking tree. The bottom of it. The way the roots are forming.
Alright, so we're sitting here
Waiting
for our ride.
Uber.
We're waiting for our friend to come pick us up, and then we're probably just gonna go to Sheetz.
Yeah,
Because
Dollar General.
that's just what we do with Luke. We just go to Sheetz.
Yeah.
And Jordan's home.
Hey, let's go somewhere. Alright, what do you want to do? I don't know. Alright, let's go to Sheetz.
Yeah. That's pretty much how it happens. After this, we're gonna be going to Best Buy, so he can buy a microphone for his camera, so he can kind of start vlogging now, I guess. So, well, you probably. No, but you can vlog like when you get the mic.
Small, but I like it. There's Platinum, another one of theirs.
We're in
This
Best
is
Buy.
129 here, and at Walmart it was like 20.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure the one at Walmart's worse.
Yeah. A light
He's buying a mic,
I need to.
so this kid can start vlogging.
Here's Photoshop Lightroom 6.
It's the camera Scott has,
This one looks exactly the same.
but it's
Actually,
not
I'm pretty sure it is.
that camera.
What's that? Not
that
vlog.
big. Bad news for Scott. There's not actually an aux port on his camera, so
Same problem.
don't actually.
What are you trying to do?
Like vlogging and
We don't actually think he's gonna be able to.
Are you doing it? Are you editing the audio afterward?
Poor-
Roger, I think
poor
I see you
Scott.
walking over by appliances. You got a second?
Can't actually get the.
Oh, that's right.
Can't actually get the mic, so.
He's Roger.
does it have to? It's annoying. That's really annoying. Hi. So annoying. Hey. Size mount.
Sad boy.
I am, but I'll look online. They probably have some online. Should I get this?
Luke. 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 You gonna explain to me what that shit is?
You know,
Why are you covering it up?